Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get Eva AI mod in every iOS and Android device. So follow me and I will show you step by step how to get it. But first of all, let me delete the Eva AI mod just to show you that everything is installed correctly in my device, and I will show you step by step. And we're gonna launch the Eva AI mod after I installed for the second time. So first of all, what you need to do, guys, is to go in this website that is called mobgames.online here. This is a website where you can find different lot of games, application, tweaks and mods, and here I will go for the Eve AI mod. So as you can see, you do the search there, and when you find the desired game, application, whatever you are searching for, just tap it and the download and injection starts immediately in your system. So now we are installing and downloading Eve AI mod, and I will show you the other step, what you need to do to get the Eve AI mod in your device. So let's wait till we go on 100% here. As you can see, I get a confirmation pop-up here that everything is okay. Just follow the instruction, guys. What you need to do is just to follow the instruction as this website is asking you. That's all, and you will get the Eve AI mod in your device. So what I need to do is go in the home screen there and wait till the Eve AI mod is installed in my device, and that depends on your connection speed, so don't worry. In some cases you might need to wait a little bit depending on your connection speed, so just wait. If you have done always the right steps, if you have followed the steps that the website is showing you. Okay, there it is. I'm gonna launch it. And as you can see, guys, the Eve AI mod is installed correctly in my device, and I have a lot of credits here. So thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye and enjoy.